Hey garden friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm super excited to share this new video with you guys. I'm going to be decorating my front porch for fall. Oh, finally! I'm finally getting around to doing it. I'm so excited. So we went to the pumpkin patch yesterday and I got a lot of pumpkins, and I've also been saving up a couple of different things that I've been wanting to use to decorate for fall. So I'm pretty excited to go ahead and share this with you guys. So I hope you enjoy. If you're new to my channel, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and stick around. I film videos about gardening, home, and DIY. So if that is your jam, definitely hit the like and subscribe. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started.
Life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our love tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a mood, my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart. Killing time, we got nowhere to be. You're sending messages I can't ignore. No contemplating, come here close to me. I'm bored at home, can't leave the house no more. But I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like I'm losing my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart. You, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart. And suddenly I feel it on me. I feel it on me. And
finished and I think I've decided on how I'm going to style it. So I've kind of realized that this front porch needs like a seat or something. I feel like it just needs something else that takes up a little space, because it's got like this big portion on one side, but it's like hard to do anything there, you know what I mean? So I feel like it needs like a seat or a stool or something else to help. But anyway, I think I finally figured out a way that makes, like, to style it that makes sense and like actually kind of semi looks good. So I'm pretty excited. Let me show you guys what I finished with. Okay, so first things first, when you walk straight up, I've got this little stack of pumpkins with the Cinderella pumpkins and then a little white guy on top. Then over here on the other side, I just have this little line of pumpkins. This is the only pumpkin I was able to grow from my jack-o'-lantern vine. It was the only one that got fertilized and became a pumpkin, so I'm really proud of him. That's the one. Every other one I bought. But then we also have this one that we're going to carve for Halloween, and then just the white one in the middle. So this is kind of what the steps look like as you are going up. Then once you actually get up onto the little patio, this is what you see. So I have my little arrangement of some dried florals. So I have the lavender from the lavender wreath I made in the spring. It had all dried and discolored to this like really like tan kind of color, but with little bits of purple still. And so I thought that would be really pretty, and I think it turned out pretty well. I have some dried coneflowers and hydrangeas as well. And then over here on the right is my pot that I had planted up for my fall containers. So the potato vine has put on some growth. I've got my creeping Jenny is still looking beautiful as ever. And then I just intermixed these pumpkins as well. And I'm really happy with how it's doing. The mum is starting to come out of its prime, but as you can see, it's putting on more buds. So it is coming out. I just need to go ahead and snip these off. I just didn't want to till after this video because I wanted them to have some color while I was showing you guys. So that's what that looks like. And then of course I also have my baskets that I just planted up. And if you haven't checked that video out, definitely I will link it up here in the description, and I will also link it right now on the screen if you guys want to check that out so that you guys can see how I planted those up. So I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. I feel like this was more of a challenge than I thought it was going to be. So I'm pretty happy, and I think that this is going to be great for going into Thanksgiving and Halloween and all that good stuff. Okay guys, so that's it. I finally figured out how to style my front porch. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any ideas of how, what I should put over here, whether it's like a chair or a stool or a sign or anything that you think would help just fill up this gap in my front porch, or if you have a front porch that's similar to mine, please let me know in the comments, because I would love to figure out what to put up here. I'm just very stumped. I just don't know what to do with this space. So if you guys have any ideas, definitely let me know. Okay, otherwise that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and definitely check out some other videos that I have up for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!